Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something cool from the United States. This is a package from the folks over at HongKongFoodies.com. HongKongFoodies.com has really cool stuff, and especially of interest to me are their Nissin Demae ramen varieties that I haven't been able to find or even had heard of until I heard about these guys. During Black Friday, Cyber Monday, they've got a coupon code. You can use the Ramen Raider for 18% off your entire order, which is really nice. I think it was 18%. And yeah, here's some pictures of the ones that they sent previously, all garnished up and happy. Yeah, you should really check them out if you want to check out varieties of Demae ramen you've never tried before, especially if you like Hong Kong Demae ramen. But yeah, let's crack this open and see what they sent today. Cool. Ah, this is so rad. So here is the Aka Tonkatsu. I think this is the spicy tonkatsu flavor. This is the ramen. They also have the udon varieties on their website. And this is the black garlic oil tonkatsu. Yeah, it speaks for itself. If you know anything about Demae ramen, this is, or Demae Iccho. They call it Demae Iccho. I think that's probably the correct way of it. And I think maybe they call it Demae ramen here in the States, but then here it says Demae ramen. So I don't know. I should ask about that because I don't know what's going on there. This is a straight noodle. This is going to be really, really good. And this is the Kyushu tonkatsu, and I've been wanting to review this one. This is one that I was really hoping would be in the last pack they sent, but it wasn't. So this is going to be cool. Thank you. And now this is another Kyushu tonkatsu. I'm confused. Let me look at the last one again. This one says Kyushu tonkatsu flavor. This one says, it's kind of hard to see because it's so small. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit and look at it on here. With Japanese Takana? I don't know. Kyushu tonkatsu. So this is going to be another really good tonkatsu. I can only guess how rad this will be, and this is the Demae ramen variety. I'm not sure if this has to do with the garnish that it's showing on the package or if it's a different oil, so we'll figure it out and you'll see it in the review. So they don't just have ramen varieties. They've got the straight noodles like I just showed you. They've got the curly, like standard fried noodle packs. But now they've also got macaroni. Yes, instant macaroni. Now, I've had a lot of these, the Nissin ones, the Knorr branded ones. I believe another Hong Kong company, Chewy. I reviewed ones of theirs. But Nissin has a wide range of them. I used to find them in Canada. But there's a lot of varieties here. This is a sesame chicken. And this one's a cheese flavor. Now, when you see this, don't think of like mac and cheese. The macaroni we have here just has like a thick sauce with it. When you get this stuff, it's more soupy, which lends itself well for things like this. This is a seafood abalone flavor. Abalone is really popular in Hong Kong. I've reviewed a lot of abalone varieties. Here's a black garlic oil tonkatsu. Yeah, I mean, macaroni is used all over the place. I remember when we were in Malaysia, we saw a tie-in between Mike Wally's White Curry. You could go to this restaurant called Old Town White Coffee, and you could get that broth with macaroni there, which was interesting. I kind of wanted to try that, but didn't have a chance. And a satay beef. Interesting. Yeah, never even knew that this existed. And a tomato beef. Cool. Well, a big shout out to Carmen over at HongKongFoodies. Thank you so much for sending this over. Like I've mentioned recently, it is very hard for me to get international varieties lately with the current what have you going on in the United States. I don't know how long that's going to last. Hopefully not too long. And yeah, so stuff from overseas is super appreciated. If you want to try this stuff, go hit up HongKongFoodies.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider. I'll include a link in this so you can just click it, and I think you can just click it and it'll apply a nice 18% discount to your order. So that lasts until December 7th, I believe. So I'll get this video out the door as quickly as I can, and yeah, very cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, macaroni, and your holiday season. Have a good one. Bye.